Hey, welcome back to Cupcake's Art, and let's draw some really simple cartoon, and this time it's gonna be Dino from Cupcake and Dino. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with his eyes first. So it's gonna be really simple. We're just gonna draw in two circles kind of far apart from each other. So one, and then just come out and draw another one. And then we can finish up the eyeballs with just adding two dots. So if you want, you can make them look into different directions. It's really up to you. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in his mouth. So his mouth just kind of come down right here. And you can make two little points right here first. And then we're gonna curve up and then curve down. And then curve back up into the point. So it's kind of like a little wavy shape. Okay, and then from there we're just gonna draw on the bottom, which is gonna come down. So all the way down. And then for his teeth, just gonna draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then for his tongue, we're just gonna draw one curve. Okay, so that's pretty much his features, and then he's got those right underneath the eye, we're just gonna draw in the two egg shapes. Okay, so those will be different color. And then from here, we're gonna draw in the head shape. So this part is a little bit tricky. So on the side here, we can just draw in one line like this first. And then we're gonna curve up. Okay, so right about here. And then we're just gonna come straight across. Right about to the eye area right here on the side. Just kind of stop right there first. Because we're gonna draw the bottom. So we're gonna continue this down. Curve it. Okay, so right around here, curve it. So we're coming down quite a bit. And then we're gonna continue this line and meet up to right around there. So we're just trying to get the right proportion for this character. Okay, so once you have this, now we can draw in the back. So the back of the head it comes out pretty far, so it's almost double the distance of this. So we're just gonna double that. So it's gonna come out quite a bit, and we're just gonna turn it. Okay, and then we're gonna come down right around here. Right around here. And then I'm gonna draw his arm. So we're gonna draw one line, and then another line. And then for his fingers, that's his thumb, and then you can draw in two lines like this first. Okay, and then we're just drawing the fingers. Just got 3 of them. Then once we have that arm, we can continue with this line here on the back. So we're gonna come down. We're gonna pass this line here all the way down. Okay, and then for his body, so it's really simple. Just right around here. It's gonna come down past this line, which is gonna curve it. Okay, so once you get to this point here, we're gonna draw his leg. So just draw like a little rectangle in there. And then we're gonna continue it, keep going out. And then for his tail here, start from here, just draw one line going out. And then we just turn it, disconnect that. Okay, and then his other leg, so really simple. Alright, so let's see, after all this we're gonna have to draw in his other arm. So right around here, come out, just 2 lines again. That's his thumb, and then again you can flare it out, just 2 lines like that first. And then we're just gonna draw 3 fingers again, so 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then let's see, for the details, right underneath the arm here, just gonna draw in some U shapes here. And then of course this awesome bandana, so we're gonna draw right around here. We're just gonna go all the way across and give it a slight slant. And then once you have that, we're just gonna give it some thickness, so start up top, all the way across. And then it's got those patterns here, so just 2 lines, and then I'm just gonna space them out So just try to keep them evenly spaced, and then just go all the way across. And that is it for this Dino character. It's nice and simple to draw. So hope you guys enjoy this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.